How to change NFL Sunday ticket location. To change your NFL Sunday ticket location on YouTube TV, follow these steps. First of all, open the YouTube TV app. Launch the YouTube TV app on your TV or computable device. After that, access your profile. Navigate to your profile photo in the top right corner of the app and select it. Then go to location settings. From the menu, select location. After that, update the current playback area. Choose current playback area. And finally, follow the prompts. Follow the on-screen instructions to update your location. This typically involves allowing location access or manually confirming your new address or zip code. By following these steps, you can easily change your NFL Sunday ticket location on YouTube TV.